Thank you.
Trying to be cost or my way more, it needs to stop. Yatsina Chroma 2012, 2016. Yet to about that time now MPP move opposition.
Thank you.
Emma a year Collins down the Nia Naba, a Gina radio so say.
Yeah.
Ono de okum nipa da bia go guy.
Make up guy.
Ye mu bi ye witness what happened. Look, me call a year a kolebu Confanoche, Kumase Confanoche. G. Yeah. G.
Yeah.
Me ankasa makonta a friend Collins. Sometime a certificate north.
Thank you.
Ye twitwa nkrofo sekan emwo mutiri mu bie Collins da faako more than a year 2, 3, 4 months. Ansa no otimi asori. Time amoba a year aban mu I was thinking say some matter no anka mo be taking it up. Monfi hwebuada gogo hwebuada. Me grante Collins interview on Happy FM Mesheda. Mesheda. Na me pese Ghana mpanimfo no a ye beto aba mudi nsemu no anke ye carry no on ye take him on. Even Collins Dauda as obi amua. Ye tena 2017. Ye tena 2018. Ye tena 2019. And ye baba to 2020 aba. Ye wo mu. Now, and another human rights activist, and another human rights activist par excellence. Media minimum and go for better baby. No one can tell another lawyer, and you must lawyer no or ye. Lawyer need my pack.
Esquire. Esquire. Esquire.
So we were expecting, say, and Nanado as the president of the republic, and Kiebetwa Bewie, na enyeme bi enkoso. Na even say a kosua, aka by now the president of the republic, you know, and we commented on it. Yet now, hama, you can't say registration. Banda. Yokun Abranche be the president till now has not commented on it. To me, it's wrong. To me, it's wrong. We cannot continue like that. Anywhere in this country, we cannot. Yatina Krom has said, my atua berry, any patre ya bo mutuo kuomo. President in commentary. President, the quiet.
What time do you mean? I
got to ask you.
I don't come of wish you. One way, maybe I come.
I got to ask you.
We are talking.
It's the ambassador president and we cannot continue to allow political violence and political killings go unpunished in this country simply because if we continue to allow political violence and political crimes to go unpunished in this country, remember, Ghana for bebre need to be worse than what we are saying. Now you move away from that topic because we meet him when I'm because now you call the topic of a year independent candidate. Papa Wadarma, and you made a new Kobakra.
China, but why in Kakran only the Dinko?
Yes, if more I said I'm doing Dinko. Network in your okay, me more I said I'm doing Dinko. Now, question I busa for Mena MP is for Mena MPA. Oresi ama busa question. Eti would dear. Would deeper a year history books ma won pana. Nature in its own common sense has brought you to this point. History. There is no way from Kwame Nkrumah person. ebesi eye General Kwesi Amanko Afrifa penso General Ankra mo penso ebesi eye Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo papa Owura Edward Akufo-Addo ene eye your friend say Kofi Abrefa Buzia 1972 eba ya besi eye 1979 Ignatius Kutua Champon mo epenso JJ Rollins ba ye PNDC 79 Ignatius Kutua Champon SMC 1 SMC 2 FWK Akufomo edeba ya besi 1992. There is no point in our history and yenya elections MPP kura the same NDC kura the same. This is the point Ghana for Nsua frese. Baby I doing the only time our MPP and NDC bet together. Time when we coach skedi. Eskrashia one bet together. And so young kwine Debbie. Yama wo mo asebio apem for mo da from hospital papa NDC be opposi MPP be opposi and so abasi enko to mo pay mu dia they will come together.
Thank you. Na
eti Nyankopon pai bo a wo tie wo man Ghana ne se ya to aba for the first time MPP kura the same NDC kura the same se na Nyankopon pesa wo ugina on the ticket of MPP a anka wanka wo mo amomo ampamo wo mo pamo
that to tia
Omo pamo na Nyankopon nim do do be yo o seda ukọ ya akwa wini obi anti political party bia na emu yesi Ghana first and ye pese wo nso di ba history books eti history books na di baba mu ni tie se wo pese formina fo nso nya development ya tie ni e pa afa wo be ye president of a parliament Obi aka chiro se be join the MPP tie wan ko bio kura after this election wan ko bio anaye two kura why your history and your name will be in the history books of this country for life.
Thank you.
Tie me Papa Maseno me kama aseno na antia ko bisa akua friye akrokire me ware ni nua ketewa enti menim dia me kama aseno.
Thank you Nana.
Wo bia ba se Braba join the year, catch us a watching. Time one now to one MPP for Pamono. No one is over to me a winia, a command Pamo.
Sabotage.
Then you put him to Babaye. And they say, Basse, Tieni Baba Wadaruma, Tieni. A Basse MPP and this year, Baba Shemrebia or Parliament, Onion Quantum Crow.
Thank you.
Now with the development, be called for Mena. Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic, can say, ultimately independent candidate to be a judgment.
Thank you.
Now, ultimately, on your demand, you bet me I had your for Menafuni, General Quantum Crow. Ye be Shambra, Shababi Ababu, my Ghana. Independent. Nekachira wa musa samu pesa mebua masa amra we midim kokromotika ho a momfa kwan na da for me na no monkonko ye mu ye wi a midim kokromoti beka ho.
Thank you.
Yes. Mo kan kira for me na MP ni se me say opese development ba eye for me na de obetimi aye ne se mo join ni MPP mo join ni NDC wonyina kwantenkro no wonyina kwantenkro ade bebua no nie se hospital a wo for me na ye nyanya yi a se wo mo pese ode ne nsa hye mrase a on kan kira wo mo se mo nkoye hospital na ye for me na ni nwie mo ma no eye presidential ye kan say assent professor gaze assentation president assign it
me ko kana go ti a face but I was saying na
oh the mission it is a pass or china be a development but NTA me be ka say much papa you can change the dynamics of politics in this country and you will become a hero in this country. Intro into say maybe by say history books and maybe by nine people were 137 and these were 137 near what nipa ba ko power parliament and one dey sebio independent candidate na kobasi e shemra edru ba bia obeshemra na wo ban Ghana fo be din komo or grant interviews ma Ghana fo kan the onkonko ye chere no yes obazo di ba history books we bebem obazo di ni so mbam na sesebio ye bema ministerial appointment ka hunu se omanpani Akufo penso omanpani jeje penso woman no ye ministers bebre na yan kai wo we don't even remember them but your name will forever remain in the history books that there was a point in our history and nipa ba ko pe independent candidate final decider president bi anje okro we mu now we ye na ye yi a the various constituencies in this country will begin to find the need to vote for independent candidate. Wouldn't be here. If we say what Chinabi, what would him say, what the development about for based on your voter, or move to about my independent candidate. Say, Bassa, you make a decision about the development in
constituencies.
Eti mesrawa wadaruma. Sese aso ubeti mi amasepa no. Ese ama masepa na no. Ubeti mi a bisa ku afiri me fra ku afiri ka kire ne se won kan kire wo se enkwa pipi nkwa ndisi yedim se pipi na afiri pipi ni ampew wo mo mpew wo mo mpew ene ya ase nwanwa ene ya ase se bi odi otimi yenti ene tumi ekura wonti ane ye beba ye po acho ene ombema imamfo asofo ombema enko di obedi ewuo wo baby adi utiri beto wo ede ya na ahwe owi ase dia ka ye dinje ebetimi abase se oye we na ye ni ye kura no Ghana fo na bebo abongo aboamo edwakọ.
Thank you.
President go betimi adi we ye we ya betimi adi president wo my Ghana ni se nkrofo na adwene mo bie nkrofo na adwene mo bie nkrofo ya ha atiase etmesrew aso betie me dia enkwa MPP dia nyina na dia NDC dia nyina na dia na so ne ye pese wo ye bibi different now diba history books mo ti kwa MPP enkwa NDC. Be the hero Ghanaians want you to be. Ye nim se akoba say katasu mu asokoto nkra ni bi baba ombeba wa hede emuamo me catch on there. So bi ba mena tia asem a me kan ya ke bebo ono a.
4 years we be awie.
4 years. We di wie na for mena for so mo mpe wa wo ye di nyankopon pe. Misi udi wie na for mena for se mpe wa udi beba history books mbeba baabi no ye mani e nana no mbeba behia wo betie ma asem a meka bebo and the juicy contract ni ade babra no and the minister ade ya na awe wi ase ewunyae si ebe ma minister ke ba 4 years edi kan ke ma minister ya ma minister na ofisa wo nsem fata minister no o say
omunim no ya ndi na omo sabotage le kwa man ko independence omunim no and serious Kenimo wako independence area.
Abe abaji udi Ghana.
Yeah, Ghana for ye masses na ne ye.
And yeah.
Yeah, the no masses. See ye dey be kan na o dey akwama ye. Afi no ye you.
Hey, we di baba history books you know so ministerial appointment 24/7 you have to think about it. So me bacho for the first time in the history of this country 24/7 the system will work.
Thank you.
And you are the only person who can make the system work. 24/7.
Yeah.
It yebesre.
Thank you.
Yebesre.
Thank you.
There is a reason tia nyankopon ni nature hwema eye MPP for pamo wo ansa na wo kwa ko wini. Na